Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Baker and LJ. I'm LJ, of course, and this is
Baker.
So today we are a little late going live because we were waiting on an appointment and they got held up. So we're going to go ahead and do our thing. So we are doing Pretzel Polish boys, Pretzel,
Yeah.
Pretzelish Polish boys. So Baker's going to show you what the meat looks like. Let's get the tongs. Show them what the meat looks like. So we already pre-cooked. Yeah, see that? Nice and dark. And that's Polish sausage. So we've already cooked our sausage. Cook it at 375. We cut it into 4 sections. Cook it at 375 for 45 minutes. Halfway through cooking, you want to take the tongs and turn them because we want to make sure they're evenly cooked. And also, what we did was we used racks. We didn't put the sausage directly on the pan because we didn't want all the oils and fat to get inside the sausage per se. So we put it on top of there and then it could drip down into the pan. We put parchment paper on there and they came out great. So they went in there for 375, 45 minutes, turned halfway through, lower the temperature to 350 and cook it for 20 more minutes just to get that crisp on there. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to fry our fries. You can either bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, some crinkle fries, or you can fry them and get that crispy crunch for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to hold the camera while Baker takes care of the fries. All right. It's the oil on. All right. So we got our oil ready. And we got our fries over here waiting to be devoured. All these kitchen utensils properly. The tongs. Take a look at some other. This is our drawer of goodies. Yeah.
I'll check it.
No, leave it in there. It'll be fine.
Sure.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Not gonna hurt it. So meanwhile, while we wait for the grease to heat up, if you were on our live last week, okay, we were giving away, okay, if you purchased our book, our newest book, Top of the Muffin, to you on our website, you were able to get some free items. Bookmark with our brand on it. A refrigerator magnet with all the characters on it. Very cute. And also a calendar. Isn't that cute? All the months of the year. So when you go to our website, when you purchase your book, you will get all 3 of these other items for free in the month of June. So make sure you get on the website, www.LaFriedaSmith.com, purchase your book, get a free calendar, bookmark, and a magnet. That's a great value. Great value. So I hear it popping over here. I hear something popping. Let's check on these fries.
It's going to take a while.
It looks like it's good. Does that look like it's good, y'all? Yeah, it looks like it. Let the fries absorb the heat. And for about 5 to 10 minutes, we'll let the fries take its course. Meanwhile, we'll be getting the dough together for our sausages. So we're going to put this to the side. Okay. This to the side. Put this in the fridge. Put that here. All right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to roll out the dough using a croissant sheet, Pillsbury dough sheet. All right, we've never done this before. This is trial and error. Well, let's see what happens when we do this. Pop. All right. So we're gonna roll. Looks like it's all together on here. Does that look like it's all together?
Yeah, it looks like it's together, but it's like cracked. Man.
It'll be okay. It'll be okay. All right, let's get a flat sheet. Something that we can roll our finger on. Right. Okay. So preheat the oven for, I think, 350. It's 350. Do 350 because we already have the sausages ready. So let me pull this camera down so you can see what's going on the other side. On the counter, we making some food. All right, let's see. All right. There should be one continuous roll.
Okay, so it looks like.
So what we'll do is we'll take a knife and we'll cut each section enough to where we'll have enough for that's one. Don't roll it all the way out. What we want to do is we want to do a little bit at a time and check. All right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take. Did you swish around the fries? All right. We're going to grab this. We're going to put this on in here. I'm going to roll it like this. See how I did that? Okay, roll it like that. Baker, you see how I rolled that? Okay. I'm going to do another one. Undo that and then cut like a corn slit there. Check on the fries. And then you take a sausage and you roll it in there. Rolling, rolling, rolling. There we go. Good. So put those sausages on there. Just even the rack up. Put the sausages on there. You're gonna put the biscuits in the oven.
There's nobody coming. There's nobody coming.
No,
And
exactly.
then we could put some maybe salt.
A little bit of salt, not a lot. You're gonna put a little bit on top. We were supposed to have sea salt, but we ran out. So we're gonna put a little bit of. All right, so we're putting the bread in there, 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. We didn't want to put it in there for 375, just because we have the sausages already made already. So we wanted to make sure that we didn't overcook the sausage.
I did.
Not on the fries. I don't see no white peppers. With the white, it's supposed to be white peppers on this. It's supposed to be some white peppers. On the flour. Ow, ow, ow. It's hot, hot, hot. All right, y'all. Check this out. Woo wee! Check that out. All right, grab that plate over there. All right, so put that out the way. I know, right? Right.
We'll crack the plate.
I know. So grab that plate from underneath here. You're gonna put yours separately from mine. Go. You eating the big one or the little one? You're a big guy. You're gonna eat the big one.
Yeah.
You're gonna eat the big one. I don't care what you say. You're eating the big one. All right,
Can't forget the sauce.
The fries. Can you grab the barbecue sauce and the coleslaw, please? All right. So here's your barbecue sauce. Get a knife so we can cut our stuff up.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Let's open up this coleslaw. Go ahead, dress up your Polish boy.
Oh.
No, that's somebody else. Okay. All right. So I'm going to cut this up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up. Put my, y'all see what I did there? Open it up. Put my fries in there. Cut it down the middle. Put my fries in there. And then put, and then put some coleslaw on that. Get some of that coleslaw. Ooh, sauce. Yep. And then you take that Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. Take it. Oh, yes. Okay. All right. Let's do this. All right. Dang, ate all the fries and stuff. I'll tell you. He ain't leave no fries. He ain't leave no fry. All right. So let's taste our Polish boy. There you go. All right, let's cut this up.
Yeah, oh, it was a mess.
It was a good mess right there. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Yeah,
Oh, that was good.
that is good. Wasn't it? Wait, I like that. I told you it was gonna be good. So, on that note, guys, we thank you for joining us for another episode of Cooking with Baker and LJ. I'm LJ, of course, dropping my sausage, and this is
Baker.
Don't forget to go to our website, www.LaFriedaSmith.com. Purchase your Top of the Muffin to You book. Get a free bookmark, magnet, and a beautiful calendar. Can't beat it. So next week, oh gosh, I need water. Anyway, next week we won't be on. Oh, I know, you guys are gonna miss us, but we will be back July 1st, and we will have a special guest with us. She has her own bakery. She bakes at home, and she's gonna be making some cupcakes. Can't wait. So right now, we're gonna finish our pretzel Polish boys. I'll put the recipe in the comment section. Join us July 1st, 2023, 8 p.m., same place. See you guys later. Bye.